Once with you. I would like to greet my friends over there, especially to James Debres from Sabah, Malaysia, John Ritata Tanadra, Roland Lapos, Danilo Solarayo, Lando Rojas, hello, shout out. Chief Mechanic Rosley Rodi, hello, shout out from Sabah, Malaysia. Vic Amagan, hi, hello, shout out. Inday Saladaga and Ronald Saladaga. Lynn Garcia and Dudong Garcia from Sabah, Malaysia. Chief Mechanic Rosalie Rodi, hello, shout out. Hello to Merlin Lebre from Don Salvador Benedicto Negros Occidental, Sammy Tavares Jr., Nini Panilag. Hi, hello to Madam Edwina Villalon from Barangay Bunga, Don Salvador Benedicto Negros Occidental. Hello. Alejandro Junior Albarazin from Cebu City, hello, shout out. And also to Lodi Matutina, my sister. Yellow Matutina, my brother from Davao City. Edgar Matutina and Mildred Matutina. And Honorable GC Buyet Matutina. And Elizabeth Matutina from Barangay Nangango, and also Davao Oriental. Hello to Luisa Magallanes from Poblacion. Shout out. Love you all.